Hello, welcome to a review of some capsule toys of Cats of Osamu Moriguchi. Okay, whatever, there's 4 cats in here. I love my cats, Inky and Marbles, just like they're my kids, and out of all the humans in the house, they definitely treat me as the mom, as it were. And I got these cats because they weren't that expensive, but let's start with the black one, just like my Inky. Look, they got the painted paws, molded details, fur and hair. Does that? No, that's been glued together. And I've just like split the cat open. Yeah, anyway, so meow. Not really too much to go on here now. These cats are roughly 1/6 scale-ish, I guess. If you put it next to some 1/12, I guess they're just like giant cats. But there's a black cat. There's a stretching blue cat. Now this is blue, not gray. Okay. Russian blue, as it were. We have a sleeping cat. Oh. And we have a tummy up playing cat. I guess this one has the most details on it, so it's the most painted. Oh. So that's it really. It's just a little bit of for like 2 minutes. Scratch this and comment below. Because take care, have a nice day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye now. Inky.